Good morning, sir. My name is Suti and I'm from Lab 2E. So today I'm going to present about my individual assignment which is the title Stock Analysis Web Application for Analytic Insight and Prediction. So for the introduction of this assignment, in today's global market, people and businesses are closely following the changes in stock price. So now stock analysis tools helps to track recent stock prices and predict the future prices. So this system is a stock analysis web application which is designed to show stock price trends and the next price prediction. The system also provides a simple, interactive, and easy to use platform. And the users can check the stock prices for companies such as Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, Meta, Petronas, and more companies. So for this system features is the user can enter a stock symbol to view the stock data. The system will display a line chart of stock price changes over several days and also the company logo for the user to recognize it and a predicted stock price for the next day. Next. So there are two special functions in this system. The first special function is price prediction. A simple feature for predicting stock prices is included in the application. So the next price is estimated using a linear regression formula based on the recent changes in prices. Using this mathematical method, the recent changes in stock prices have been analyzed. Along with the price graph, the system shows the predicted value, good for showing predicted ICEs and changes in stock. So now this is the predict JavaScript code. So this is an understanding of the system include linear regression function. In order to predict the next price, it calculates the trend line by reading the stock's price values over a period of several days. This gives the user an understanding of whether the price will go higher or decrease. It is a useful example of how simple price prediction can function within a web application, but it is not a real-time stock market predictor. Next. Now for the second special function is the search stock function. This is the system stock search function, this code here. In order to match the symbol kept in the stock data array, it reads what the user types stock symbol and switches it to uppercase. Then it will determine whether a matching stock is available using the find method. If the stock is found, the system update the logo image and eliminate any previous error message, and it will show the stock price line chart and predict the next price. The block line is used in logo, style display is used to display the logo, and the show error function is called if the stock cannot be found and a friendly message will be displayed in the error message display. To prevent the incorrect logo from being displayed, it also hides the logo image. Now for the conclusion, our stock analysis web application completes its system objective with fulfillment. Users can view the past stock prices and use stock symbols such as it will show company logo and line charts for easy identification. It also uses linear regression to provide a basic stock price prediction. Other than that, it also includes error messages for wrong stock symbols. For future work, I think this stock analysis web application can include real-time APIs for stock data to enable real-time stock price updates, and we can also add more local and foreign companies to the system stock list. And for future work, we can also improve the prediction process using improved models for the prediction. And now I'm going to show the web. Thank you. So now I'm going to try to run the web. So in here, in this file, we can click on the index.html file. So when you click inside, it will show our our web application, stock analysis web application. So on top of here is the welcome message. So below here, we can enter our stock symbol and click search. When we click search, in this column here, it will show the chart. After showing out the chart, below here, it will state out the price prediction. So for example, I can type in Apple for Apple company and we click search. It will come out the line chart for this. So on top of here is the Apple logo. So for this is the line chart. So below here are the dates, and below here is the next price prediction. So now I can try for another company such as Honda. So now I try for Honda, it come out the stock chart for Honda. So if the user want to check for a specific date such as like for June 18, the user can slightly move the mouse cursor to this point here, and here it will state that the stock price on that date, which is on the 18th of June, it will state that the stock price on that day is 176.4. So for another pointer, we can also do the same. On the 19th June, we can see that the stock price for the date is 147. So below here is the next price prediction. So now I try to enter a stock symbol which is not inside the file, such or I enter it wrongly. We can try to enter like we type a wrong spelling such as Alibaba. Search, it will say that the stock is not found. So the symbol here is still the same as the previous Honda, but when I type Alibaba, it doesn't change to Alibaba because the stock is not found, and the user need to enter a valid symbol again. So now we can try to enter a valid symbol again, which is Alibaba. Now it will show that the Alibaba logo here, and this is the stock price of Alibaba, and this is the chart. We can see that it also lists that every days the stock prices of every days we can see, and below here is the next price prediction. So that's all from me. Thank you.